Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix left click deleting files automatically in Windows 11, 10. First method is right click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand keyboards, right click keyboard, uninstall keyboard. Second method is open any browser. Type KeyTweak in browser search bar. Install KeyTweak app. Find delete key location. Click disable key, click apply. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.